welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Samaya. If you're new here and if you're returning girly, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me today. Today, girlies, you guys are going to be packing my purse with me, and also we're going to unbox my new Dior purse. I am super excited for this purse. OMG. So let's just get straight into it. New baby is in here, my new Percy purse. We're about to open her up in just a second and unbox it. But this video is in collaboration with Tick One. Thank you so much, Tick One, for sending me over this beautiful Dior purse. I mean, the packaging and presentation is wonderful. If you guys don't know, Tick One sells all your luxury goods for affordable price, if you know what I mean, okay? So information will be down below in the description, and make sure you guys go check out Tick One. Now let's go ahead and open up this Percy purse, because I am just super excited. So this is the little gift bag, super cute. It says Dior on it, period. And we're gonna just go ahead and take her out. Ooh, so freaking cute. Look how pretty this is. This is gonna be great decor in my room. I'm gonna be using some of this stuff, y'all. But look how pretty. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So the purse does come in this little protector bag, and it also comes in a dust bag, so you can storage your purse in this dust bag. Super nice. And I think you can scrunch it up like that too. Super cute. Let's go ahead and see what goodies we have in the box, because we do have some goodies in the box. So they provide you with a Christian Dior authenticity card. Okay, so somebody want to be like, is it real? You be like, yes, real. I got my card right here. What you talking about?
What you talking about, Willis?
Okay, but let's go ahead and see what the card looks like. Okay, girlies, so this is my authenticity card. How freaking cute. And this is what it looks in the back, like that. So I will be putting this in my purse, okay? It also comes with a little manual of how to take care of the purse. So this little thing, it says a maintenance guide on how to care for your new bag. How cute. They also provide you with a receipt of how much the bag cost and the price and all those details. Okay, girl. So now let's go ahead and get into the super exciting part, which is taking my purse out. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Oh my goodness. So cute. So I'm gonna take all of this little extra stuff out. All right, girlies, so this is what my bag is looking like. Look how beautiful this bag is. Just take a moment to admire it. Look at the details. This is very nice quality. I love this bag. It's so girly but yet so chic. It's in this beautiful tan color. It has the Dior charms on it, which I love putting charms on my purse. So the fact that this Lady Dior comes with charms on it, I love it so much. And if you guys do not know, this is a Lady Dior D-Joy bag, okay? So there are different versions of the Lady Dior, but this is the Lady Dior D-Joy. And it is so beautiful. I love it so much. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what the inside looks like. So I'm gonna try to show you guys so much. I don't want to ruin my new purse because it is just beautiful. I love this purse, you guys. So when you open it, It's like this, okay? And it does have some magnet kind of things going on because it has this flap right here. So it doesn't zip or anything. It's just a flap kind of bag, and you tuck the flaps back in to seal your purse, such as that. In the purse, we have 2 straps because you can wear this purse 2 different ways, which I'm going to show you, and then we're going to decide which way I want to wear my new Lady Dior DJoy bag. But this is the inside of it. So it is a tiny bag, and there aren't any zippers. There is a little compartment right in here, you see right there, that you could put some extra little stuff in. But this bag is pretty small, so it's gonna be very interesting to see how I'm gonna pack this purse, so stay tuned for that, okay? But all in all, this is a beautiful, beautiful bag. There's so many details of this bag that's just great. It has the CD, the little Christian Dior CD on this part of the bag, and it even has the Christian Dior CD and the name Christian Dior on this part of the bag, and it's just so beautiful, you guys. Also, with the charm real quick, let me fix it so you guys can get the full effect. So with the charm, if you were to flip it back like this and go to this little tan part, it says Christian Dior on that part as well, which is super nice. Okay, girls, so these are the 2 straps that the purse comes with. You can wear this purse as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. Okay, girlies, so this is what the bag looks like as a crossbody. Super, super cute. I really, really like it. And just a trick, if you do end up getting this bag, and you want your handles to stand up like this and not like flap like that, put your crossbody straps on the outside of your bag so that your handles can stand up. Okay, girls, so now I have it as a shoulder bag. I am loving the shoulder bag style, not going to lie, because I can wear it like this, or I can take it off and then just go ahead and wear it like this. Okay, girlies, so I'm gonna go with the shoulder bag option because I love it so much. I think it looks super cute as a shoulder bag, but this bag also does look really cute as a crossbody. So now let's go ahead and pack this purse and see if I can get all of my goodies in this purse. I hope I can, but we'll have to see. Okay, girlies, so the first thing I'm gonna put in my Lady DJoy bag is my Hello Kitty wallet. Okay, this is a really, really cute wallet. Look how cute it is. And then I do have my girl, my Melody plush little keychain on there as well. I got this wallet from Temu, and then I got my plush from 5 and Below, and they currently have a superhero series. And yeah, so we're gonna put my wallet in here and let's see what it's giving. So I have my wallet in here. Now I'm gonna be packing my Barbie tissues, super cute. I got these from the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to put that in there, and it went in very nicely. So next in my purse, I'm going to pack my Morphe lip gloss. Absolutely love this, and this is in the shade Pink Palm. Next, I'm gonna pack my Hello Kitty pocket mirror. You girlies have seen this pocket mirror already. I absolutely love this. I have like 3 go-to Hello Kitty pocket mirrors. Because this is a smaller purse, I'm gonna go with one of my smaller Hello Kitty pocket mirrors. Pop her in there. So far, so good. Next, I'm gonna pack my Hello Kitty lip gloss that I got from Target. This came in a 2 set, and this is from Lip Smackers. So in the cosmetic section in Target, they do have a 2-pack of Hello Kitty lip gloss. It comes with a lip gloss and a chapstick, but today I want to carry my lip gloss. So we're gonna go ahead and put her in there. Next, we're gonna pack my really cute My Melody hand lotion, super cute. I got a 3-pack of hand lotions from Marshall's, and this was one of the lotions. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can squeeze her in this purse. All right, she's in there. Next, we're gonna pack my Girly fragrance. It's in strawberry scent, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. But we're gonna go ahead and pack her in here because she's cute, tiny, and compact. So I'm hoping that she'll be able to fit with the rest of my stuff, girlfriend, because we got a lot of stuff in her. Next, we're gonna pack my small little pen. I like to carry pens and notepads with me. I don't have a small enough notebook to fit in here, and plus I had to pick what I really wanted in this bag. So I'm gonna just go with a pen because you never know when you might need a pen or lend a pen to a friend, okay? All right, girls, I have everything in my bag. Now we're just going to close her up and see if everything fits. So far, so good. I'm trying to make sure that it's snapping so it doesn't open. Everything fits. Ah, that is so awesome. So yes, that is everything I'm currently carrying in my new Lady Dior bag. Look how beautiful. Thank you so much, Tick One, for sending me this beautiful Lady Dior bag. I absolutely love it. All of the deets of this bag and of the company Tick One will be in my description box below. Oh my goodness, so cute. I hope you enjoyed, girlfriend. Thank you for packing my purse with me and unboxing my new Christian Dior bag. But now I gotta go find something to do, honey, because this bag is too cute to be sitting in the house, okay? I will see you girlies in my next video. Bye! See you later, girl.